Hello guys, welcome back. So today's session we will discuss regarding the SOAP APIs, the way you can create your SOAP APIs. So in previous session we already discussed to create a REST APIs. Okay, so let's start the demo. It's all about your SOAP APIs. So very first, as I said, you need to select your project. So as I selected the project WMIO training, click on that, and here the options are available APIs. Okay, so click on that particular APIs option. So there are two options are there, REST API and SOAP API. So click on your SOAP API option. Okay. And once you click on your SOAP APIs, click on this create APIs option. Okay. So there are total three options are there. Either you can create from scratch. Import API option is available. Third one is import API using URL. Okay. So now I'm selecting this option, create from scratch. Then click on next. Here you can give the name, like user defined name you can mention. So I'm giving the name as a employee soap API. In version, two versions are there, soap 1.1 and soap 1.2. Select soap 1.1. Your description you can mention, and here I want to select the flow service. So let me check the flow services. Okay. So I'm selecting this concat function, flow service, and use and style for operation. So document literal, I'm selecting this. So if you are looking for the another style for operations, then you can select. There are total three options are there. So I'm selecting this document literal option. Then these things is not mandatory. You can, if you want to enable, you can enable. Otherwise, you can keep as it is and then click on save option. Okay. So guys, here you can see this is your flow service operation name and flow service name. Okay. Once you click on your API details, here you can see the basic information as well as the visual URL and target namespace. Okay. So by using this visual URL, you can log in your SOAP API, SOAP UI user interface. Okay. Over there we have an option to upload your URL, digital URL. So you can use this URL like copy or download, and you can upload in your SOAP UPI and you can use for a testing purpose. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you have any query, any concern, please do let me know in comment section. We will come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much. Have a fun.